$100 for you. And there's $200 for you. Do you have any advice for everybody today?
I'm tired of second place.
Yeah?
I think that maybe it's time that I win. So if you guys just want to go now, I mean, you can. Don't waste your time.
Yeah.
I mean, other than that, I mean,
Yeah.
you'll have fun.
Oh, you get a 6-foot throw. Oh, right on the line though. 7 feet. Up. That's 7.5 feet. You're actually in the lead right now. Ah, it's on the line though. 1.5 feet. Woo-wee. Ooh, that's not bad. That's 23 3/4. You usually see a consistent showing from this family. We'll up. Oh, whoa. 14 feet. Oh, 14.5 feet. We'll see if he. Wow, wow! Look at that. Oh, it hit some stuff and. We're 41 inches off. Oop, ooh. Oop, oop, ooh. Ooh, that was good. 24/7. Nice.
Oh, you're gonna keep going.
Keep going. Okay, okay. Okay. Tell you what. You hit my hat from there. I'll give you $200 right now.
Wait, are you
No, you
right
can't
now?
change the game.
Yep, go ahead. Go ahead. I'll get out of the way, but.
He's gonna duck.
Holy smokes, ladies and gentlemen. You might have the winner right there. A little Concord action. It is 8 inches off the line. That's the 50-foot mark. 50 feet plus 49 inches. Oh!
Oh, bad.
Oh! Oh! Came back though. Ooh! Ooh! Yay! Woohoo! Up! Up! Oh, and then interference. Interference. See if my dad can make an airplane.
Oh, yeah.
Well, the most true thrower. All right. The tip of the plane is just shy of 33 feet, which 3 happens to be his lucky number. So, Nick Bohe, you win, sir.
Yes, I finally got one!
You finally win. What are you gonna do with this newfound wealth?
I'm gonna spend it on him to go snowmobiling.
No way.
Absolutely.
Well, here's $100 for you, and there's $200 for you. Hopefully that's gas money. If you get stuck in the snow or something, give me a call.
Oh, no problem. I'll keep that in mind.
Yeah, I'll talk you through it the best I can. Now, do you have any advice for anybody who might have been coming to these for as long as you have, but keeps losing?
Just keep coming back, man. Like, you're gonna get there eventually. And it's a lot of fun.
And what was your tactic for your airplane?
It's just to get it as heavy as possible by condensing it and keeping it aerodynamic.
Yeah, you almost took my hat off.
I was trying for the hat.
Yeah.
An instant is better than a, no guarantee.
You got the money, sir. Are you guys impressed with Nick Bohe's experience? Yay! What should we do with the airplanes now? Oh, sorry, I'm sorry.